This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making stewed pork belly with tangerine peels. Here is a piece of dried tangerine peel. And 4 to 5 dried red chillies. Soak them in water till they are softened. This will take about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, cut up the tangerine peels into fine slices. For the chilies, cut them up into small pieces. Next, cut up 500 grams of pork belly into about 1 to 2 cm slices. Into the pork belly, add the dried tangerine peels and the dried chilies that we had soaked earlier on. 30 grams of fermented bean curd, 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce, two teaspoons of dark soya sauce, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Mix all these ingredients into the pork. Make sure you mash up the fermented bean curd so that it will marinate the pork evenly. Set the pork aside for 2 hours or overnight in the fridge. After marinating, put the pork in a pot. I am using a clay pot here, but you can use any pot you like. Next, add in enough water to cover the pork. Bring this to a boil, then lower it to a simmer and cover. Simmer this for about 30 to 40 minutes till the sauce has been reduced by almost half. If most of the water has evaporated before the stewing time is up, just add a little more water. When the pork is done, add in the Chinese rice wine. Mix this well and turn off the heat. This is stewed pork belly with tangerine peels.